gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. And today I'm saying a happy Lunar New Year to all of you who celebrate. Happy Lunar New Year. I am a rabbit. It's my year. I might have bought something to celebrate. Yes, it is the start of the year of the rabbit. I am a rabbit. My dad is a rabbit. My brother is a rabbit. And if you're interested, other notable rabbits, I'm not a notable rabbit, I'm just a rabbit, but other rabbits of note, let's put it that way. Albert Einstein, David Beckham and Angelina Jolie. Thank you very much. There has been a few luxury designer collections celebrating the Lunar New Year. They do it every year. Last year I picked up the Louis Vuitton Precious Tiger from the Lunar New Year collection. Bag charm, absolutely adore him. But he's out now. That year is done. That year is gone. It's all about the rabbit. Now it is all about the rabbit, and I have got something rabbit based from Gucci. Only purchased a couple of days ago and it arrived today. I'm very, very excited. Speaking of tiger, I've got a little Lily here. Hello. Hello, baby. Are you sniffing the box? Come here. Oh, here's my little tiger. My reluctant screen tiger. Okay, off you go. It's not your year anymore anyway. Lunar New Year or Chinese New Year is celebrated by over 1 billion people worldwide. That is a lot of people. That is a lot of people, and while I personally am not Chinese, my stepmum and my siblings are. So I have been exposed to, shall we say, influenced by that Chinese culture for the last sort of 40 odd years. So there are a few things that I've picked up along the way. On Lunar New Year, on Chinese New Year Day, you don't do any housework, you do all of that leading up to it because you don't want to wash away and brush away all the good luck. You wear gold and red and new things. So you practically have to go shopping in order to prepare for Lunar New Year. So I'm wearing my new Barber slippers. My red nail varnish is OPI Colour So Hot It Burns, and my red lipstick is this NARS pencil. And this is in Dragon Girl, I believe is the colour. Yes, Dragon Girl. I'm wearing a new lounge set that I picked up from M&S yesterday, and it is in this sort of, I'm going to call it gold colour. I have put my jade on. I've got my little jade discs on my earrings here, along with my Ideal and other jewellery. Fine jewellery, there you go. I've got my double happiness diamond pendant here with hearts instead of circles for the double happiness, and a jade disc. I've got my little jade and red cord lucky thing that you're supposed to wear throughout your year, your birth year, your origin year, and this has got some money in jade on it, and then 3 little piggies. Piggies being one of my lucky animals, which is handy because I married a pig. And I've got my jade bangle on. This is mostly apple, but it has a little flash of lavender there, but it's really difficult to see. You kind of need the sunlight to go through it, and then it's this little shock of almost neon lavender. It's really, really gorgeous. So I've got my jade on, I've got my red on, I've got my gold new threads on. Does anyone remember when phones, mobile phones, cellular phones, used to have the little thing, the little kind of hole thing in that you could put your little danglies through? This is my little rabbit, and this is my little dangly that I used to have on my phone. Can't do it now, otherwise I would still have my dangly on there. And I have a very special little ceramic piece here that I've had for since 2010. I think I bought this when I was in mainland China with my family. It is this ceramic rabbit. He's got some really quite far out eyebrows there, and he's in green and blue, which coincidentally are my lucky colours for this particular year. Now usually as a rabbit. My lucky colours are red, pink, purple and blue. Now I'm not particularly superstitious in any way, shape or form, but I do like to observe some of the new Lunar New Year celebrations, like not doing any housework and all of that kind of stuff. Not because it's just a day off and I've got an excuse, but because, you know, it's the same reason I take down the Christmas decorations on 12th night. Not particularly superstitious, but there are just some things I like to do. Now, I'm not all really in for horoscopes. I don't read my daily horoscope and I don't do all of that kind of stuff. But let me read out some of the rabbit characteristics to you, and you can tell me if you think any of these fit. Vigilant, witty, quick-minded, ingenious, gentle, quiet, elegant, alert, skillful, kind, patient, and very, very responsible. Sounds like me, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Right, enough of all that nonsense. You're going to be sick of this and be like, oh, Gwenny, I don't care about your Lunar New Year traditions or your rabbitness. I want to see what you bought. Well, can you guess where I got it from? I've never seen a box come from them like this, where it literally says Harrods all over. Now, I don't know which way around I should be opening it, so I'm going to do it this way around. And so I phoned Harrods because I'd seen something online, and if I can get it at Harrods and get those points, because points make prizes, then I will do so. So I spoke to my new dedicated client advisor for Upside Down Gucci. Let's get that out. Oh, look! Oh, nice! She included the Year of the Rabbit holiday packaging. That's really lovely, isn't it? It's got Gucci in red. Gucci in red. Bit of good luck there. And lots of bunnies. Oh, that's really, really lovely. Oh, and the inside of it is red as well. That is very cool. I shall put that up behind me. Oh, it's rabbits, 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 rabbits. So, what do you think is in here? I must admit, I was quite disappointed in Fendi. They basically did some of the Marc Jacobs collaboration stuff, but in red, and that was it. I did also look at Loewe. I'm so excited, but I'm a bit scared about this. I also looked at Loewe because they had brought out, you know, the little elephant pouch bag that my girl, train girl Megan, she rocks her little elephant pouch, and I love that little elephant pouch. And they've done a bunny one now with these big floppy ears. And I thought about it, and I looked at it, and I thought, oh, we saw it in this grey colour, which was really nice, and the inside of the ears were pink, kind of raw suede, but I decided I didn't like the look on his face much, so I mean. So I went for this. I spotted this when it first came out, and I really, really loved it. And I am just hopeful. I had a chat with my girl Maria about sizing and everything, because designers and big girls don't always go together very well. I'm going to take it out this way around. Oh, I hope this fits. I hope it fits. It is the Gucci Rabbit crop t-shirt top thing, and it's got this neck which on the model was rolled down. I do prefer a V-neck, but I like the design on this. So this is a very, very oversized, very cropped shape. I'm going to try it on in a minute and see how that works. But I told her what size I was in Fendi, because I can say that now. And she said she thought this would be the right size. This is a large. She doesn't have the extra large, but she can get hold of the extra large if this one doesn't work for me. So yeah, let's look at the design on the back. It is just, it's this kind of creamy colour. It's not white, it's kind of creamy colour. You've got the Gucci Made in Italy label there, and you've got these 4 bunnies, or rather 2 full bunnies and 2 half bunnies in these really bright colours. with Gucci in really bright colours. Quite Warhol, isn't it? Quite Andy Warhol. The bright colours and the simple silhouette really did it for me. So I guess the next thing is going to be to try it on. So it does feel, it's quite short. It is very short. It's cropped, but it's a lot more cropped. And I think that's probably because this is the large, and really I do need the extra large to still have that oversized look. It feels a little bit fitted to my shape. The neck, I've got that folded down there. Let's take my hair out. What do you think? Do you like it? There was another bunny t-shirt, but this one was £400 and the other one was £700, and I really liked the bright colours of this one. The other one's cropped as well, but I don't know if it's quite as cropped as this one. But let me know in the comments section down below what you think. Well, that was quite hair-raising. The whole time I was putting this on, especially with this neckline, I was thinking, don't get red lipstick on it, don't get red lipstick on it, don't get red lipstick on it, don't get red lipstick on it. So I'm going to have a chat with Maria and see if she can get hold of the extra large, or if she thinks the extra large will be enough of a size up for this to work on me. So let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this t-shirt. Do you think I should try getting the extra large? Do you think even the extra large one size up is probably not going to do it for me? Let me know in all your comments down below. I love to get your opinion on things. Also, let me know, are you a rabbit? What is your Chinese horoscope? Do you observe Lunar New Year, and did you buy yourself anything to celebrate? Let me know in the comment section down below. And until I see you, yes you, boop. Oh my God. For the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.